Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off timeout members on your role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles, and now click here, click permissions, and now as you see here you'll find the timeout members. Click on it and click save, and it should be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.